I'm Neil Griffiths, I'm the Digital Transformation Manager across the West Midlands Fire Service. Across our 38 fire stations, the Wi-Fi access to all of our staff was really poor. We were probably about 10 years behind the technology. It was undoubtedly a key decision that we had to make to enable us to provide the best service to the community.
From ICT perspective, we needed to look to implement a new system that could provide the organisation with this mobile-first technology. In order to provide the organisation with Wi-Fi across all the sites, we needed to install new access points. We engaged with Midland Networks, and speaking to David Donnelly, the director, he put our mind at ease because straight away he advised us he'd done exactly the same project for a big national organisation.
My name's David Donnelly and I'm Operations Director at Midland Networks. As the name suggests, we're a Midlands-based company and we deal with customers throughout the West Midlands. Because our customer base is quite local to us, we can react quickly and efficiently to any of their needs, be it simple needs or an emergency.
So the improvements we've seen with the introduction of the new Wi-Fi system was it's faster, more flexible. It allows ICT to provide wireless access, user logons a lot quickly. We can devolve that access to other members of the staff.
The fact that I can just sit down at any desk and I can have Wi-Fi there is a real big bonus to me. It's made us a better, more efficient and well-connected fire service.
We've ensured there was Wi-Fi for the whole station sites, and this included the areas where the firefighters rest and recuperate. We've introduced a new system called hyperconverged infrastructure, which allowed us to reduce most of our servers into one block, and this had an impact not only on our ability to deliver faster services, but it also reduced our carbon footprint. We were very impressed with the speed and efficiency of Midland Networks. They delivered the project ahead of schedule and allowed us to finish the project under budget.